Recently, I have been in contact with an electrician which Henry recommended to me. This electrician expressed an interest in coming by my house to take a look at some of the work I am planning on doing. I have created this clip for him to view prior to his visit. The area here where this circuit breaker box is used to be at one time a location for one large fuse. It was a round box. You turned it in one direction to open up and access that large fuse. And then I had, about 7 years ago, I had the house service electrical upgraded. And I believe it's 100 amp service right now. So this is what the panel itself looks like. And let's see if I can do a close up here. So this says, try to focus this a little bit better. This says 100. I believe this one here is the power to the entire house. This is 15, 20, 20, and got 20 here, 20 here, 20 here, and 15 here. And then the rest of these are unused. So what I want to direct the viewer attention to is that I have several yellow wires here. Looks like it's 5 of them all together. And then there's one white wire. And I know what this white wire is. This white wire is because I had a heat lamp put into the upstairs bathroom a couple of years ago. And I believe what the electrician did there was he ran a wire directly down. So that would be the heat lamp. And then the wires trace over in the ceiling and they go over here to this box here. I have a little bit more light on this particular box, and I would say the distance estimating from the circuit breaker box on the wall to this box here on the ceiling, it's about 7 or 8 feet. Now, what this box used to look like before I had the electrician guy come in and upgrade my service and install that box, I had 4 fuses in here, and the 4 fuses service the entire house. And existing wires are these 2 up here, and then there are other 2 wires in the back here coming out. Yeah, these 2 here. So basically I have 4 arteries. I don't know how else to explain it or describe it, servicing the entire house. And what the guys did was they installed the circuit breaker box and then took out the fuses here from this box, and they look like they did some wiring to remove the fuses so they would no longer be necessary. That is all the video and pics I have taken having to do with electricity. I'll use PowerPoint to explain what is currently on my mind about it. This is the situation which exists. Power enters the house into the wall-mounted breaker box. Then it goes through some yellow wires to a box. From this box, it is distributed out all over the house by way of knob and tube wiring. Eventually, this box will be eliminated completely and all wires will be going directly back to the main box. But that is a major job for another day. Likewise, eventually all knob and tube wiring throughout the house will be replaced with up-to-code wiring, as will outlets. In a completely separate matter, I have a plumbing issue I am dealing with, which I am pursuing a plumber to resolve. But for the sake of this video, I am talking electricity only. My house heater does not work at all. It is in the middle of the winter, and that won't be fixed anytime soon. As a consequence, I am having to rely on electrical space heaters throughout for adequate heating. My problem is this. If I put too many heaters on the same circuit, it trips. And then I have to find somewhere else to put it so it will remain on. I don't want to do any major rewiring right now. Is there any way of identifying which of the current lines could work best for electrical heater configuration? If so, how do I do it? Later on, none of this will be an issue. The house heater will be working. I will also have a full rewiring completed with the panel more evenly distributed. But for a quick fix now, how do I determine how to balance out the portable space heaters?